Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. In this video we are going to show you how to make bao or steamed bun with the barbecue pork filling. It's very soft and so delicious and take only 5 minutes for knead it. This recipe is very easy and use a bit of time and don't use shortening. So let's start with the pork filling. Just need a little bit of oil in my pan here and some garlic. And for the recipe for the ingredients I will put in description box below. 2 tablespoons of vegetable, 1 tablespoon garlic, and also the onion, 2 tablespoons. Take over medium-high heat and also cook for 3 minutes or until the onion is softened. Then add 250 grams square pork, or you can add more for belly pork if you prefer. And then continue to stir fry. One and a half tablespoon soy sauce go in. And then 1 tablespoon oyster sauce go in. Add 50 grams sugar and add half teaspoon sesame oil. 1 tablespoon sweet dark soy sauce. Add 1 teaspoon palo powder and also 1 tablespoon ground pepper. Then stir through the mixture. Add 2 tablespoons of water and mix well and simmer for 3 or 4 minutes. Add a bit of red color, but if you doesn't want the red color, you can skip it and use a natural color. And then add 1 tablespoon corn flour and stir through the corn flour mixture. To do here is create almost like a pork jelly that's sitting inside of our buns. Now you can see just how thick that is become almost instantly. Now I have to get this out to cool before I make my bun. In the meantime, let's do our dough. First start with activate the yeast with the warm milk. For this recipe I use milk to make it more softer and very good softened. But if you don't want the milk, you can change to the warm water too. We take the milk in microwave for 45 seconds to make the warm milk. Make sure it's not too hot. And then add 30 grams sugar into the 150 grams of warm milk. Then add 1 teaspoon of yeast and mix them together and set aside for 5 to 10 minutes until it becomes foamy. Then mix the dry ingredients. Paste 250 grams of bun flour or all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder and sift the flour. Add yeast mixture into the flour and add 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. And then mix it well. And here, where you want to just relax into the kneading process, you want to give this for 5 minutes and so that the dough will become really beautiful. So that dough has come together beautifully, and that is what I love about this dough. It has a really soft. And after 5 minutes knead it, and then we just gonna put that into the bowl now and just cover with the plastic wrap and press in a warm dry press for 1 hour until it become double in volume. And now it's double volume now, so remove the plastic wrap and press for remove the air. I would to get a little bit of flour out onto my surface. Here, take my dough, then roll up into the circle and cut the dough into 8 pieces. Roll each piece as a ball. And then cover with the towel for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, take one of your dough piece, sprinkle with a little flour, and the first instant roll out into a circle, and roll each of wrapper dough with the thin eggs. Take 1 tablespoon of filling into the center. Take a right hand and use your left index finger to push a little plate into your right hand and then push again into your right hand, and basically use both hands to kind of wrap and press around the top filling, and then get to the point where everything wants to close up. The thumb should still be in the middle, and start squeezing and then squeeze, and there you go, it's beautiful bun shape. And place the buns on baking paper and then press in steamer. Repeat to finish all of the buns. Then press in steam bun, cover the lid and rest for another 30 minutes. Before steam, add 2 tablespoons for vinegar into boiled water. It will make white buns. And then try to press the bun non-stick the steamer wall. Cover and steam with a high heat for 12 minutes. And here we go, it's ready. It's so white and look is fluffy. Then turn off the heat and stand for 5 minutes before enjoying. And look at that! See how it's soft and fluffy. This is combination of fluffy buns and then that is really sweet salty pork. It's so good and so delicious. You can make this recipe for enjoy in the family and also sell. I hope you guys give this try for this recipe because it's so delicious and so soft and fluffy. And also I hope you like this video. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe and follow me on my YouTube channel and also my Facebook. And see you next time.